Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. E-commerce Flutter app inside today need to see this here the success screens need to develop here. This UI is Pagma screens inside need to two variants available. So need to make look like this here the show here. These variants need to make here today. Two variants how to make like this screens. This is the simple screens, but we need to after the order completed, so need to need these screens. That's why I need to developing here. So need to forget it these screens. We need to let's start. That's how to create inside the flutters. First of all, we need to find out here the shopping folders, and we need to write down here the new files. Give this here the name success ones, success screen one dot. Create here the stateful widgets, and need to give this here the name success screen one. Need to give like this here the name input material dependency. Create here the scaffold. Set here the no needs here the app bars because need to use this here the shopping continue button to directly back the screens need to call here and set at this here. Now we need to set here the body inside we need to make this here the stack control. Create here the childs and like this sets here. Now we need to needs here the imports here the needed image. Need to go here the folders and put this here this images into success image as well as need to view this here the back image need to put here. Now this is the copy success of relative path of this image. We need to put here image assets and we need to set this here. Now we need to give this here the width and height for this screens. We need to use this here the context with variables. Need to use here the extension variables and height for also need to use this here the context dot height extension variables need to use here. So if you not see here the second video, please first of all to see second video explain in details how to create like this here the extension variables and extension methods need to develop in explain in details. Now need to set here the box fit, set here the contents like we need to configurations here needs and we need to fix this typo every place. Copy here and here and replace alls, fix this typo, save here and like this set here. Now first of all need to configure the screens inside here this order submit button click. Need to find out here the checkout page inside here the text checkout screen and submit orders. Context dot push extensions methods need to call here and we need to give this here the name checkout success one screen. Save here and look like this here the show for this image or the similar to UI need to put here. Here the most importance is the this screens is need to use this here the stack inside we need to image and upsides we need to use this here the columns and we need to give this here the some height space. Use this here the sized box. Give this here the height. You need to set this here the 18 is fixed. Need to providing here. Then after need to set here the titles and we need to give this here the cross axis alignments. We need to set here the center like we need to setting here for this text. Now text need to set here the success. Experimentary signs set here the style. Text styles. Set here the color T color primary text. Then after font weight Set here the bold 700 and font size 34. And we need to set it here and show like this here. Maybe we need to set here row inside and set here the main axis alignment. Set here the center and look like this show. Maybe 120 you need to set here for the success. Maybe increase here 150. Now good. And now again copy. Paste this here this row codes and need to write down here the text. Your order will be delivered soon for the new line. Otherwise, need to write down here the thank you for orders for choosing our app. Like this sets maybe need to give this here this lesson. This look like this show and maybe font size regulars remove here. Use this ones font weight. Set here the 500 and font size need to set here the 14 is good and look like this so now need to give this here the some height space, otherwise need to give this here the padding vertical paddings need to use this here the symmetric and set here verticals 15s look like this show similar to UI. Need to put it here. Now need to make here the another buttons, continue buttons, found button. Use this here the titles as a continue shopping. Like yes and on press event. Now the thing runs. Show like this here, but need this here the smalls need to use here the some property. Need to use this here and we need to 160 width and heights also need to provide this here the body similar to UI. Need to make here the continue shopping. So need to 180 for these buttons good for this UI and 35 height. Now display goods for this UI and now this is are the success order screens need to making here the done. Now another screens we need to making here create here the new files and we need to give this here the name success screen underscore 2 dot like create here the stateful widgets and we need to give this here the name success screen 2 and import here the material dependency. Create here the scaffold, create here the body and make this here the column and make sure it's need to set here the padding. Column outer sides need to make here the padding all 20 like set here. Then afters need to make here the first of all the image assets. Set here the width. We need to give this here the context dot width and multiply by need to set here the 50% of width screen width. Same as need to set here the needs now heights and fit as a set here the box fit content. Otherwise expect fit width like is good. Need to use this here, this back image, copy relative path, paste here, and show like this here. Set here the space against copy and paste this here. Make here the center. Now need to save here for the screens. I need to configure inside here the continuous screens. Need to use this here only temporary. We need to show how look like this here the UI. Need to push this here the screen success screen 2 and semicolons. Now need to click here and open this screen. Look like this here the show. Again, so need to making here the screen 2. Need to set here the success titles. We need to put it here. Give this here the some height space. Set as a 20 height space is good. Now you need to set here the text of success. Maybe need to use these ones both same. Need to paste here. Import this here the color extensions and save this here and look like this show here the thank you screens. Now after here we need to given this here the space, we need to make here the buttons of the round button. Set here the titles continue shopping. On press event like here's save here's and on make sure need to pop the screens how to write down here the navigator pop untils need to context and predictions is done. Set here the true like this until pops. Save here and click here. To restart here against the shopping continues like this. Success, why not work? Get here event. Set here the pulse is good. Go until true. Look like this sets yes. Maybe another way. Push until remove. Context new routes. Need to give this here the material page routes. Fill context. Now need to set here the main tab screen and predict out. Return this here the pulse. Set here. Maybe restart here. Click here. Continue. Continue shopping. Click here and back this here the home screen again. Next, we need to route here the exit this screen. These codes also need to write here and put here. Comment this code. Input this here and main tab screens. Save here. Click here and continue shopping. Directly move here the home screens. This one is the way of the back. Every new text need to clean and like this sets here, and navigations need to set here the cleaning here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe our channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down inside the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.